Welcome back, loves, to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my palettes. These right here are some that I keep in the background that you guys normally see when I'm filming. So I'm going to be showing you all those plus most that I keep in a cubicle that I have, and you will see that in the next part that I film. You will see where I keep most of my other palettes. And show you pretty much what I own as far as eyeshadow palettes. So this is going to be a video all about eyeshadows. I'm going to do these videos in sections. So I'm going to have videos for all of my lipstick collections. I'm probably going to mix up my highlighters with my bronzers because I have a lot of highlighters but not very much bronzers or contour. So I'm going to do them like that. I think the lashes one might be just separate because I do have a whole drawer full of them. But I wanted to show you my collection because I enjoy watching other people's collections. So I'm hoping that you guys will enjoy watching mine as well. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so this is where I put most of my palettes. I have some down there, right there to the right. I have these, and then over here I have Tarte. So I'm going to be pulling these out and showing them on my desk, but I wanted to show you guys basically where I kept them. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I have. I do also have ones that are like, you know, drugstore, small little ones that I keep in a drawer. I'm still trying to go through this whole section here and, you know, dabble it, but this is basically a cubicle with little different areas to put different stuff, so that's where I'm keeping mine. Alright, let's go ahead and start showing what I have. And we have Mr. Jeffree Star. This is my only palette from him. I do want to try to own others, but little by little, because they are a little expensive. But this one I have definitely used. I did a video, I think it's my last video. It's a roulette palette. So I basically let the roulette table pick my colors. And at first I almost had a heart attack, but then it all worked out. So as you can see, these have five. Yes, 5 little slots that you can put them in. And like I told you, 2 of them could fit together like that. And that's what I do. I just put them in here. I might have to put, oh no, we're doing good. And I just put them away. So there we are, guys. These are all my palettes. I hope you enjoyed it. I do have a lot of lipstick, as you can tell right there. There's some over here, there's some over here, and there's even some to the top. I will raise you up. Even some up there. This is the background that you guys normally see when I'm filming. So I decided to put my palettes here because it's really the only table I have. I do have other I have 2 other little tables which are behind me, and that's normally where I put all my makeup, and this is what you see. So I don't really use this other than doing some Instagram videos, or like right now for this. But these are all my palettes. Definitely gonna be showing you lipsticks, but I decided to do them by section because if not, you guys will be here forever. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit like. Not thumbs down, please. Thumbs down, not nice. Let's thumbs up, or let's not thumb at all. At all. If it's gonna be down, don't bother. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit your notification bells. And this is probably the first video that I'm not in, but right now I'm in bummy clothes. I have a hair treatment in my hair, and today's my wedding anniversary. I'm filming this on a Tuesday, so it'll probably be up tomorrow. So I'm supposed to go celebrate, but something irritated my eyes, so I'm not going to be wearing makeup until God knows when. So I'm hoping it goes away by the weekend, because we're planning to go away, and I would like to go out to eat and just have a good time. So anyway, why am I blabbering now when I'm supposed to be ending this video? Correct? Correct. Okay. Let's go ahead. So yeah, hit like, subscribe, and notification, and I will see you in my next video. You guys take care.